Now, we've said this a few times recently about the pricing of the brand new model Range Rover Sport, just like this one. Now, this is a 2023, 23 registration, 11,000 miles on, in Santorini black, D300 Dynamic SE. The car is absolutely beautiful. And to make it a little bit better, this car has a black styling pack on it, it has the upgraded 23-inch alloy wheels, and it has a sliding panoramic roof. Now, this is true story. We were selling exact same cars only months ago for over £100,000. Now, a few things have happened. We all know that Land Rovers have had an issue with insurances. They've been quite a struggle to get them, but they have recently upgraded the security system on them, and it's starting to get better now. People are able to get insurances on these cars, and it's a lot more affordable. But what has stayed the same is the low pricing. So the prices have leveled out. Now check this out. This particular car in superb condition, with 11,000 miles on, with the best wheels, with a live pricing, is only $79,990. For me, that is unbelievable because it's a lot of car for the money. Like I said, only months ago, there were £10,000, £15,000 over list price, well over £100,000. So to be able to get the same car at $79,990, that is brilliant. And that for me works really well. Still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty till 2026. The new model Range Rover Sport has a new styling. Right from the front, the slimline headlights, slimline grille, the beautiful bumpers, all colour coded, with front rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, steering assist and lane assist. Going back to the wheels, they are the best set of wheels, and look at the wheels. We haven't touched this car, it's been very well looked after. Unmarked wheels, black brake calipers just behind, the electric deployable door handles, there's a sliding roof, some protection glass, and then you have that new design to that lovely raised interior. Black chrome bezel all the way around the car, 3-spoke steering wheel, fully multifunctional. You've then got electric seats, memory seats and heated seats, lots of space for all your friends and family, 2 keys, dual zone climate control, Meridian sound system, and then when you get in you just think, wow, this is a brilliant place to be in. It feels super luxurious. And being the D300 means it's got 300 brake horsepower. It's the new engine, which is not just reliable, but it's nice and quiet. For a diesel, it's mind-blowing. But it's smooth and it goes very, very well. And it also returns a decent miles per gallon. You've got the twin dashboard there, twin cup holders, centre armrest, which lifts up with more cubbyhole space, the piano black finish. And again, because this car's been looked after, a lot of the times when a car has piano black inlays, there's lots of little scratches. In this one, there's just none of that. Automatic gear shifter, 360 camera system, touchscreen media system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It really is fantastic. You've also got fully fitted matte front and rear. Now in the back you've got rear heated seats. The rear seats also do recline ever so slightly. There's lots of space. The centre armrest comes down in the back as well. The seats go down 60-40. But for me it's perfect, especially with the panoramic glass roof. It makes it feel nice and airy, bringing in so much light. There's a button for the reclining seats, the Meridian sound system there as well. Now as you get to the back of the car, you see the rear spoiler there, the LED with the tinted rear glass, automatic tailgate, this huge rear diffuser, and you have that beautiful, amazing boot space. And this is very, very, it's something you're going to use every single day. The seats go down, so it's very important that when you're buying a car, it has to be practical. It's not about buying a car that looks flash if you can't use it on the daily. This one you can, with your family, if it's for yourself. More cubbyhole space down below with lock and wheel nut. I just can't believe that you can buy a new model Range Rover Sport for $79,990. No, I really can't. I remember saying when they were like £110,000, just imagine when they're like £70,000, £80,000, it's going to be a lot of car. But we're there already, and that's brilliant. And now I think it's levelled off. And like I said, with the ease of being able to get insurance now, you never know, they might just stick for a little bit. You've got the paddle shift there, the full digital dashboard, your 360 camera system, as I mentioned, in 3D, so you can see all parts of the car, no problem whatsoever. Press the P button to lock it again. There's the heated steering wheel, stereo controls and Bluetooth controls. It's just perfect, really is. I like the fact that it's triple black, because black exterior, Santorini black, which is a metallic black, black interior and the black wheels. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, my name and number's on the screen. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.